welcome to OT in Action. This is a channel where we take you on our journey of occupational therapy at home. Today we're going to show you 3 different activities that we're going to do in OT today. Do you want to explain the first one?
Yeah, and by the way, this is Annette and I'm Lil Nice.
Yes, my name is Annette and he's Lee Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to explain what you're doing?
Yeah, so basically I have to try and find the end of the tape and unravel it.
Yeah.
And the reason why this is OT is because tape is sticky on the other end. And what would make this probably even better will be double-sided tape.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, but we don't have any.
Yeah. So you're going to rescue your 2 figurines,
Yeah.
and then you're going to tie them up after you rescue them.
Yeah, I guess. Usually controversial, but whatever.
Is it controversial to tie them up?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they're
Yeah.
fake,
Yeah,
so it's okay.
they aren't real person.
Yeah. We don't advise you to tie up real people
Yeah.
or animals.
Yeah, that's just cool.
Yeah, it is cruel. One down.
Oh, this was the double tape. Ah, no. And it just landed beneath my chair at least. This would, if you're
Pull hard.
yeah, and
Rip it off.
Yeah, it's hard, which is why if it's too hard, just use painter's tape. It's made to come off.
Bring this hand to here. There you go. Okay, can you wrap them up?
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you
Also, painter's tape is thinner, I think. So
Okay, so
the
lay it flat.
easier to rip too. Okay.
Now lay one of them down. Here, I'll hold it.
Oh, do rubber? Right here.
All right, wrap them up.
Just fold.
Good. All right, who you do next? Zuma?
Yeah.
You want to try a different technique? Pull out some tape. Now set them in here, stick them on. And wrap it with the roll on it. Yep, so a little flat. There you go. You want to put them flat like that? There.
Yeah, it'd be good if you do this to have the tape flat.
Stick them on. And start rolling them. Flatten it. Now pull out some more.
Actually, wait. I'm good. Bend in
Okay.
like this.
Now pull out more. There you go.
I'd say that would be enough.
Show them. So we've already done this in a previous video.
Yeah.
We'll link it down below.
Yeah.
And so I have a main circle here, and he's going to roll the putty into a ball and smush it to cover the circle, then draw around it and make these circles. So draw the first circle.
Yeah.
And we're using a different color marker this time so we can see. And last time he did this, he made 5 circles before he couldn't cover it anymore. So we'll see how many you get done today.
Yeah.
So roll it into your ball.
It might be more or less.
Yep.
Or same. We don't know.
Now smush it to cover just that first circle.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Now pick it up.
I already got farther with one push. Making it into a ball.
Roll it on the table. Okay.
Just
In your
so.
hands.
That sounds good.
Okay. Now when you're smushing it, try not to stand up. Try and stay sitting to see. Just. And we can show the camera how it looks.
Yeah.
This is how it looks there.
And we'll show you one last time that video.
Okay.
Not bad. Went a bit far in one direction.
Mm-hmm. Can you bring it in the other directions?
Yeah, I have to push.
There you go.
Okay, this side done, and next I'll write the circle.
Okay.
Safe freeze one.
Okay. So we did 3
That last one was hard.
that time, but when we look at it, you started with a much bigger one, didn't you?
Yeah.
So we'll see what they look like when you get that off. Okay.
Okay, go.
So that's what it looks like this week.
Yeah.
And next section. Okay, let's set this to the side and your final activity.
Okay.
All right, this one is to help with
Like specific.
the pressure of writing.
Yeah. Normally normally I write in hard or medium.
Mm-hmm. So let me show our sheet.
Yeah.
So I have, we did this in a previous video also, and I'm changing it up just a little bit. So I still have my colored dye,
which will
and we're
tell
going to
what
use
color
crayons today.
crayon we're doing this.
And then he's going to write a letter this time. So I have a letter die, and I've made a little sheet, and he's going to write each letter hard, medium, and soft. Okay.
Exactly. U and yeah. Also, it'll be hard to see yellow because it's bright.
And I want you to do your very best when you're writing hard to not break the crayons. So still write hard, but not your maximum strength, okay?
Yeah, I'd say that'll be hard.
Yeah. All right.
Just writing a bit more vague and more easily see it. Yeah, so that's what we came with. Some are hard to see. Green seed. So this is how it turns out.
Yeah.
So that's it for OT in action. Bye!
Catch you in the next activity.